How to install and calibrate radar flow meters. What is a radar flow meter? HRF 1000 is a 60 GHz radar flow meter, specially designed to measure the water level, flow and velocity simultaneously. How to install a radar flow meter. HRF 1000 radar flow meter package, radar flow meter, RVV 6-core signal control line, bracket A, bracelet B, hoop, screws. Radar flow meter installation steps. 1. Install the brackets A and B on the flow meter. 2. Install the hoops onto brackets. 3. Put the hoops into the cylindrical bracket. 4. Insert the control line into the port of the flow meter. How we calibrate a radar flow meter. Velocity meter module test. These are the velocity meter modules of our radar flow meters. The module is placed in our mold for test, then we load the compiled program via the computer and calibrate by Doppler data simulator. Water level calibration. The radar flow meter is placed horizontally in front of a board. To laser range finders and calibration systems are used. Standard points for each flow meter are calibrated.